Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by linking your Xbox controller to your phone. Choose Bluetooth pairing for wireless play or a USB-C OTG cable for a wired connection. Once done, install a reputable gamepad mapping app and grant the accessibility and storage permissions it requests so touches can be emulated. Then create a new profile inside the mapper and add PubG Mobile to it. This converts controller signals into touch inputs, which is necessary because the game expects touch controls. Next, you map controller buttons to on-screen controls. Drag virtual touch keys onto the PubG HUD for movement, fire, aim, jump, crouch, and scope. While mapping, set stick sensitivity and dead zones so tiny stick motions don't drift. This improves aim stability. Then test the layout in the training area, check repeat rates for rapid fire, and tweak stick curves. Make small changes and save presets as you go. That way you can revert if a change makes control worse. Finally, save and lock your mapping profile so accidental edits don't break your layout. Then launch PubG Mobile from within the mapping app if required. You should run a quick training match to confirm button combos, aim assists, and recoil control feel right. Tweak sensitivity if shots under or overshoot. If the controller stops responding, reconnect Bluetooth or replug OTG, regrant accessibility permissions, restart the mapper, and check controller firmware. Most connection problems come from pairing or permission issues, so those fixes usually work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.